Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafty Jugaru channel. So it's Ganesh Chaturthi today, and why not to draw our cute little Ganesha? For that, take your sketch pen, and yes, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone out there. And now let's start the drawing. Take any pen or marker or sketch pen, draw lines the way I'm showing in the video. After drawing the mukut part, we will draw a cute tika. You can use the red color, it will look more distinct if you use some color variation. I'm just simply showing the method because I think it looks really beautiful and also very easy to draw, that anyone can draw it by watching it for only once. Now let's just draw the eyebrow first, and the eye. And also comment down if you want to see other drawing tutorials which is easy and also looks beautiful. So don't forget to comment. I will try to keep your request. So now let's move on to the drawing. Our Lord Ganesha's drawing is now ready, and I think you have just realized that it's really easy to draw, and please try it today. Adding Lord Ganesha's favorite flower, hibiscus flower, it is believed that it is offered for the full prosperity and the destruction of enemies. And now let's have a look into the symbolic method of Lord Ganesha. For the draw 4 lines. Draw the R and the trunk with the connected lines and make them thick with the sketch. Draw the eyes and again 4 lines but in the reverse mode. So our another drawing is now ready, and please try it today, and please let me know, and please subscribe the channel if you like the video.